Hello everyone, my name is Chantika Dizasalom with a final name of 094. So in this video I want to explain the civil law system in Chile. Introduction. The civil law system of Chile is a comprehensive legal framework governing private relationships in interactions within the country. As part of the continental law tradition, it is primarily codified in the Chilean Civil Code, which has remained largely unchanged since enactment in 1855. This essay will delve into the key factors of Chilean civil law, its historical development, its structure, its key areas, and contemporary and reforms. Key areas Chile of civil law. Contract law. Contract law in Chile is governed by principles established in civil code. It outlines requirements for forming valid contract, including consent, lawful object, and cause. Contract can be oral or written, however, certain tips must be written to be enforced ably. The code also addresses issues related to breach of contract and remedies available to aggrieved parties. Property law. Property law is another critical aspect of Chilean civil law. The civil code delineates various forms of property ownership, private property, communal property, and state property, and establishes rules for acquiring, transferring, and protecting rights. It addresses issues as possession adjustment. Succession law. Succession law governs the distribution of a deceased person's estate. The civil law code provides rules for both vested with a will and invested without a will. Succession, it outlines how assets are divided among heirs while addressing issues related to inheritance rights. Chile judicial structure. The judiciary is an integral part of Chile's civil law system, responsible for interpreting and applying laws. At the apex is the Supreme Court of Chile, which oversees lower courts and ensures uniform application of law across the country. The judiciary is divided into several levels: Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and First Instance Courts. The judicial branch is empowered to hear civil and criminal trials, adjudicate them, and carry out judicial decisions in various areas of law, ensuring expertise in handling complex legal issues. Modern reforms and challenges. In recent years, Chile's civil law has faced challenges related to social equity and human rights. Reforms have aimed at addressing includes within family law, particularly concerning same-sex couples. The introduction of civil unions in 2014 and same-sex marriage in 2021 marked significant milestone in recognizing LGBT rights within the legal framework. Despite these advances, there is criticism persisted regarding the need for thorough reform to ensure prevent protection for all citizens under civil law. Ongoing debates focus on issues such as domestic violence legislation and property rights for marginalized communities. Future outlook. Looking ahead, it is essential Chile's legal to continue evolving alongside such changes. This evolution may involve revisiting in outdated provisions within the civil code that no longer align with contemporary values on parties. Additionally, increased public participation in legal reform process could enhance transparency and accountability within the judicial system.